Imaget is an image downloader which can download images from any site in one click. Alright, let's learn how to download Imaget. First, open the Imaget website. Click on Free Download button to start downloading. Now, let's wait for the download to finish. Once it's done, click on the Downloads button and File button to open it. Now, let's double-click the Imaget setup file to install it. Select your language and click Next to continue. Read and accept the license agreement, select the destination, and click Next to install. Upon completion, click Finish. Imaget is now installed and ready to download images. Now, click Register, paste your license key, and hit Register to get Imaget's full features. And then, let's learn how to use Imaget. First, let's copy the webpage link, and then paste it into Imaget. Now, scroll the slider or scroll your mouse to load more images. Click on the Save All button to download images, and then click the File button to view the images. We can also type the name in the box to create an album. And click Save All button. Then we will find that the images are all saved in a file just named. We also can get a full-sized image. First, let's click the image you want to download, and then wait the loading. After finishing loading, find the image, and then click Save button. Then you will get the full-sized image. Users can choose the image's format in Imaget. We can click PNG format, and then click Save button. We will find that the image we just downloaded is in PNG format. Imaget's filter feature is so wonderful. We can utilize the filtering option to download images by selecting your preferred image size. Then we can click Save All button to download images and use the File button to check the images. That's all. It's very easy to use Imaget to download images and use other features.